Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you my massive lash haul, and I should say Mink lashes because they're not regular lashes. As you all know, I fell in love with Mink lashes. I just tried Mink. I know it's so sad. I just tried Mink lashes when I got those Allure samples from them, and I just loved how they held up compared to my human hair lashes. And you know, synthetic of course. I never really liked synthetic, but human hair was my go-to at first. Now I love Mink and I'm addicted. However, I know I'm gonna get some questions and I want to help answer those before I get those questions. Even though I'm pretty sure people won't listen and they'll still ask the same questions. Number one, yes, I am vegetarian. However, I am not 100% cruelty free. Meaning, I still buy designer bags, leather, certain things. But I feel like each contribution you make is better than doing nothing. So I knew with my Mink lashes, I wanted those to be cruelty free for sure. I'm not 100% certain if Allure is. They did send me those, I didn't purchase those. I don't know if they're cruelty free or not. I'll have to do research on that. I'm not really sure about that. I'll have to do research. I'll put it on screen if they are, if they aren't. But I knew for sure when I bought more Mink lashes, it has to be cruelty free. I know some people probably like, okay, you're vegetarian, you don't buy cruelty free lashes, why do you still buy leather bags? Once again, I don't have to answer that. You know, it's my business, it's my personal choice. What I want to do as far as that, but I feel like I said, some contributions are better than none. So I still love designer bags. You know, I don't even want to talk about it. I just still like my designer bags. So I can't do everything. I could do everything if I wanted, I just choose not to. But with lashes, that's simple. I don't need the lashes to come straight from the animal. So the deal with these Mink lashes, I did do my research. Even though they came from Amazon, they may or may not have lied on their website. However, the particular lashes I bought, in the description, the Mink hair actually comes from the hair that naturally sheds from the animal. So it's not they go and, you know, punish the animal to get the hairs. It's actually the hair that falls off, which is supposed to last a little less time than if they had pulled the hair directly from the animal. I'm okay with that. These are cheaper, number one, and number two, you know, they're cruelty free. So I just wanted to throw that out there in case any of you had any questions about the cruelty free. They are cruelty free. All the lashes I'm going to show you are cruelty free. I'm going to start with the ones I'm wearing. I have a ton. Let me see if I can hold them up some type of way. So as you can see, I have quite a lot. Now, all of these came in bulk. I didn't buy I did buy single pairs here and there because I just wanted to test them out to see if I liked them. For example, the faux Mink lashes, which are synthetic. I've tried synthetic regular lashes and I hated them. I just wanted to try these to see if there would be any difference in quality or if I just need to stick to the cruelty-free regular Mink lashes. The first lashes I got, I'm going to link all of these below in order that I show you, by the way. It came in a pack of 3. These are from the Kiwi. Now, I already have these open, so I'm going to show you the package. They come in these little plastic packages and they're each individually packaged. I do love that. And it comes in a box, first of all, and then in the inside it's a high quality plastic container. I really like this. So it comes with this little plastic holder which holds your lashes. I do like that. It helps keep them in shape and everything, so your lashes go around this perimeter. And when you take them off, I found this out the hard way, they're super curved, so you kind of have to stretch them out to fit, you know, the natural shape of your eye. I didn't do that with this one. That's why it's so uncomfortable. I had to zoom you closer just so you can see. But this is the little circular package that the lashes lay on. So one is over here, another one is over there. And as you can see, it's a small circle. So make sure you stretch your lashes out, you know, before you apply them on your eye, or you'll end up halfway, you know, crazy looking. Like I did on this side. This side of this stretch out is so comfortable. It feels so good. And these are from the Kiwi. M-I-K-I-W-I. Literally, me, kiwi, like the fruit. And then underneath it, this is how it comes, by the way. It comes in a little plastic container. Like that, in case you didn't see it last time. And then this comes out. I mean, you don't have to take it out. But I just want to show you all the packaging. And there's this little glitter sheet is on the bottom. I think that's cute. It's a really nice package. Rose gold backing and then clear top so you can see what the lashes look like before even opening the package. I just love these. These will stack so much easier into my makeup drawer. So I'm excited to, you know, store these. Unlike the little, you know, flimsy containers. Just like these a lot, as you can tell. But I'm gonna put this back in the box. As I mentioned, these came in a pack of 3. And those are definitely, you know, the Mink lashes. A lot more dramatic than some of the others I'm going to show you. What should I do next? I'm trying to get rid of these small boxes in my hands. Let's do those. So I have some from this company called Swinging Hair. One word. Swinging Hair. And I have some in bulk and then I have singles. I'll just show you the singles first so I can get these out of my hands, because all of this is in my lap right now. So I have 3 singles, I believe, and then some bulk. So the first ones I'm going to show you are, these are 3D Mink, and then these are called, I have no idea, and it says totally cruelty free. They have a WhatsApp number too, and iMessage, so that's pretty cool. And then it has a little card that comes in there that tells you if you don't know how to apply lashes. It has a little card that tells you how to apply them. So that's cool for beginners. This is what these lashes look like. Also, I love the container. It's cardboard. It has glitter around the border here. But I love is that each of these come with its own set of tweezers. Even though I don't use them, I don't know how good they are, because I haven't actually used them. I'm gonna try to tweeze my eyebrows with them just to see the quality of them. I don't know, but the whole idea is that it came with a pair of tweezers, which are meant to apply your lashes with. That's so cool. If you look behind there, that's the tweezers. And then these are the lashes. Very wispy. I love them. These are kind of similar to the ones I'm wearing now. They might be a little shorter. I love this shape. And I love the package. You know, it has magnetic closure, seems like. So you don't have to worry about it falling open or anything like that. Just all around nice. I have 2 more to show you, I believe, from Swinging Hair. I had no idea. They don't have the numbers on there. That's one negative thing about these. But I will put the numbers on screen. Hopefully I can find them. I have another one. This package is slightly different from the previous. That's what that one was like. Still nice magnetic box. And then it has your cards in there and also another pair of tweezers. These are longer than the other ones. These, whoops. My tweezers are falling out. That's just so thoughtful. Like, for people who aren't used to putting on lashes, that's really convenient. I've never used tweezers to apply my lashes. Sorry, I'm moving everywhere. But like I said, it's convenient. And then the other single pair I got are these. These are a little bit thinner. They're still long, but less dramatic. Yeah, none of these have names on them. So that's one negative thing I don't like about the Amazon packages. But if it's gonna save me money from buying from these companies that charge $30 for one pair of Mink lashes, so be it. Amazon, you the GOAT. Okay. I have, I believe, 2 of these sets of 3. These are called, I don't even know why I said that because it doesn't have a name. This is the box. It also has that magnetic closure. It's just wider because it has more lashes in there. There's tweezers in here as well. I hear them. And then these are the lashes. And then I have one more set like that. These are also Swinging Hair. I don't even think I opened these. I'm about to destroy the package, unfortunately. This box is slightly different. It's not magnetic closure like the others. This is what it looks like. It's a slide open box, I think. I don't even know. How do you slide it open? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So these are actually singles that come in a box. So these are all the same, I believe. Let me double check. Because I just added a bunch of stuff to my cart. I have no idea. Yeah, these are all the same. So I don't have to show you all of them. But this is what they look like. They come in each, you know, its own clear package, clear film, and it comes in a clear plastic container. These are a bit cheaper than the other ones. Okay, these are actually labeled. These are the D22s. Let me double check those other ones to make sure they're not labeled. I don't think they are though. Nope, they're not labeled. But no worries, I'll have them all below for you to check out. And on screen too, probably. Okay, so that's all my Swinging Hair lashes. Now I'm gonna move on to LASS lashes. Just comes in a box, and of course it's bulk. I don't even know how many are in here. Okay, these come in those same little cute circular containers I liked. And these are also labeled at the back. That's nice. So, I believe, yes, these are all different. So, I think this was like some type of random lot of lashes where they just mix different types and throw it in a box. So I have some naturals in here. These are very natural. Ooh, I'm excited to wear these. These are very natural. Those are the 3D 521. The one I showed you before that was a 3D 586. These are the 3D X6. These are long and wispy and dramatic. These are the 3D 530. These are dramatic and wispy. A little less on the wispy side, but they are dramatic. These are a little more sparse, but they're long and wispy. These are the 3D 509. I That wasn't that bad. Let me go through the other 6. I just didn't want to bore y'all with this, but it is a lash video, so you guys know what to expect. 3D, I think these are the same actually. No, they're not. They're all different. This is the 3D 535. These are natural, a little more natural and wispy. 3D X8. These are very wide, a little more natural, slightly dramatic. They're kind of like an in-between medium lash. These are very, very dramatic. These are 3D 515. They're just really thick, not really wispy. They're thick and long. Almost there. These are not labeled, so unfortunately I cannot tell you what these are. They look similar to another of those natural pair I had. And then these are also not labeled. These are also slightly natural, but they're a little thicker. And they're very wispy. Well, slightly wispy. That's what these look like. So I guess names don't necessarily matter because they come in a box, like a random box. I'll link it below, show you, of course. I'm putting these in order too, so you know exactly what I showed you in what order. But I guess the numbers don't necessarily matter because they all come in a box. So you're gonna have all of them. The last 2 I got were synthetic. I just wanted to try them, okay? These are synthetic mink lashes. These are from Veleshia, Veleashia. So I'm pretty sure they're trying to, you know, pitch these to a black consumer because that's a black name. Veleshia. Kind of cute though. They got me. So that's what these look like. I think it comes with 20. I didn't count, but it looks more than a dozen. Definitely more than 10. So I would say there are 20 in here. For sure I'll have them below. But that's what they look like. I'm not sure about quality. I guess I'll quickly open them and, you know, touch them just to see. I don't think I'm gonna like these compared to the ones I'm wearing and then the ones I showed you prior to this. They don't feel that bad. Wow. But they're really shiny and I don't like that. Y'all know I like matte lashes and lash line things. So that might be the only thing. But I think I'm gonna stay away from synthetic, especially since I know there are cruelty-free mink lashes out there. And then these are from Pleel. P-L-E-E-L-L. And then that's what these look like. These are kind of natural, but they're kind of thick. And I'll pop this open. Oh, it still has plastic over it. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that. So this is what they look like without all the plastic and packaging. So these are slightly less shiny than the ones I just showed you. They are very cheap. I mean, even cheaper than, of course, synthetic is going to be cheaper anyway with any type of hair. Very affordable, so I would suggest these synthetic lashes. Even though I haven't worn them, this is based on me looking and touching, you know, as far as quality. I would get this brand over the other ones I showed you that are synthetic, the Veleshias. You know, they just feel better and they look more like hair, in my opinion. Even though I still like the non-synthetic ones better. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul and unboxing. First impressions? It is a first impressions because I did try these on, but there's no way I can try on 100 pair of lashes. There's no way. So kind of first impressions a little bit. But yeah, I think I got a whole lot of great options. I don't have to buy lashes anytime soon, even though I still had quite a few human hair lashes that I still plan on using. I just wanted to try Mink just because I became so obsessed with the Allure and they just feel great. And in case you didn't know, there are some cruelty-free mink lashes out there. You didn't want to try them because of the animal aspect. This is a way to do it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please rate the video and subscribe and turn on your post notifications on by clicking the bell to the right, immediately to the right of the subscribe button. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.